Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make high-quality wine. First, begin by carefully selecting your grapes. Choose varietals known for their quality and ensure they are perfectly ripe, free from damage or mold. Next, meticulous sanitation is crucial. Clean and sterilize all equipment, from crushers to fermentation vessels, to prevent unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. This foundational step sets the stage for a successful fermentation and a truly exceptional wine. Once your juice is ready, it's time for fermentation. Introduce a high-quality wine yeast, which will convert the grape sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Temperature control is vital during this phase. Aim for a steady range, usually 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure a healthy and complete fermentation. Regularly check the specific gravity to observe the sugar levels decreasing, indicating the yeast is actively working its magic. After fermentation, the wine enters its aging and clarification stages. Store your wine in suitable vessels, like oak barrels for complexity or stainless steel tanks for fresh fruit flavors. Regular racking is essential. This involves carefully transferring the wine off its sediment, known as lees, to prevent off flavors. For a brilliant, clear wine, consider using fining agents or gentle filtration to remove any remaining suspended particles. Finally, it's time to bottle your masterpiece. Ensure your bottles are clean and sanitized, and fill them carefully, leaving a small headspace to prevent oxidation. Cork or cap them securely, then store your finished wine horizontally in a cool, dark place, allowing it to mature gracefully. Remember, patience is key for the best results. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.